Today, you're going to learn how to add a photo gallery to your teacher webpage. The photo gallery option can be found in the Tools menu in the section workspace of Schoolwires. This feature allows you to create and manage photo galleries of student work or other images that you'd like to share via your teacher webpage for educational purposes or to add some interesting graphics. This is what a finished photo gallery looks like. These galleries can be placed anywhere on your welcome page or subpages. The viewer has the option to watch a slideshow of the images or to manually navigate through them. This photo gallery is an example of student work from a high school drawing course. Now you will learn how to import a photo gallery to your own web page. To get started, sign into your Schoolwires account via the district website. Click the Sign In link in the top right of the screen. Enter your username and password and sign in. I'm going to sign in using my information. Click on the Site Manager link in the top right of the screen to navigate to Schoolwires. This will allow you to edit your teacher webpage. I will use my own teacher webpage as an example for this tutorial, so note that the current page's view of your webpage will look slightly different from mine. However, the same procedure should still be followed for this tutorial. To access the photo gallery option, click the Tools tab at the top of the screen. Click to select the option for Photo Gallery. You'll notice that I already have multiple photo galleries created and named accordingly in this area. To create a new gallery, just click New. Add a name that will make the gallery easy to identify later. I will be creating a gallery to showcase artwork for my drawing students, so I'll call this one Drawing Gallery. When you're done naming your gallery, just click Save. To get started adding images to your gallery, click Edit. The default gallery width of 500 pixels will be provided. It's not necessary to change this number, so just go ahead and click Let's Get Started. To add images, click the Upload Photos tab. Click Browse to navigate to a folder on your computer where you've saved either a JPEG, TIFF, or bitmap image that you'd like to add. I've created a folder for this tutorial with several images in it, but your images do not all have to be saved in the same folder. To add one image at a time, just click on the image and then click Open. However, if you'd like to add multiple images at a time, they must be saved in the same folder. Click on one image and then hold down the Control key on the keyboard and select the other images. They will become highlighted. If you'd like to eliminate one image, just click it a second time and it will unhighlight. But I'm going to select all of my images. Once I'm ready, I can click Open. Next, click Upload to add your images into the photo gallery. As each photo uploads, it will turn green. Once all of your images turn green, they are uploaded into your gallery. If you'd like to add more images, repeat the previous steps beginning with the Upload Photos tab. You should rearrange the images in the order that you'd like them to appear in your gallery. So click on the Sort Photos tab and drag the images in the order you'd like them to appear. The images at the left will appear first in your slideshow. When you're finished rearranging your images, click Save. Once you're happy with your photo gallery, you can publish it to one of your subpages. Note that galleries can be edited on an ongoing basis and republished later. When you're ready, click the Publish tab and click Yes in response to the question, are you sure you want to publish your gallery? This process saves your current version of your gallery and creates a file that can be easily inserted into one of your subpages. To add the photo gallery to a subpage, click on the Summary tab at the top of the screen and select the page of your choice. I created a drawing subpage to add the photo gallery to, so I will click on that link. Click the Insert Photo Gallery icon, which looks like three little photographs. In the window that appears, select the By Type tab, and you'll see a list of your galleries below. Click on the check mark next to the gallery that you'd like to add. And then click Save. A line of code will be inserted into your web page dialog area. Do not delete or alter any of this code, or the photo gallery will not appear in proper format. However, you can still free edit the rest of the subpage dialog area. When you're ready to view your gallery in the subpage, click Save. Go up to the top of the screen and click View Website. This will allow you to see how your website looks to the public. I'll click on the subpage where my photo gallery was inserted to see if it worked properly. And there you go. To adjust the timing of your photos as they go through the slideshow, please refer to the next tutorial in this series. But for now, you can create your own photo gallery on Schoolwires with ease.